What's up, guys? I'm back again with another video, and sorry, I need to turn that up a little bit. I'm watching High School Musical 3, and I'm gonna be showing you all my slimes today because this is Slime Maker. So here's one. It's a really cute color. Like a look at that. This is my other purple one. I don't really like that one that much. It's this one. Those are the ones in the bags. The ones in the containers are this one, which is the crunchy one. This one, which is smooth. And this one, which doesn't have the top, so it's getting hard. Let me go close my door because I think someone's trying to come in. But it's not happening. So yeah, we get a drink. You had Benji like that.
What?
So my sister and my brother and my dog are in here right now. And I'm going to be showing you guys all my wonderful slimes.
They're not wonderful.
Shut up.
They taste like poop.
You're not supposed to eat them.
Oh, I didn't know that. You didn't tell me in the instructions.
Well, don't eat the slime, kids.
Thanks for now telling us. Dang, this is an old High School Musical. Look at that.
That's a third one, Michaela.
For real?
Yeah.
Ew, I was about to watch that. Never mind. High School Musical, you messed up.
Get those scissors from him.
You shouldn't have scissors.
Don't throw scissors.
I'm gonna throw them at your face. At your throat.
So guys, this is the first one. That's a really cute purple. Put it on my sleeves. Close my door. And get out. His head. I like to do this with it, guys. And then I swirl it around my hand and go like that. I get all of it off. And then I like to do the poke with it. So I like spread it out kind of. And I do this, as you guys can see it really good. I poke it with 2 fingers. Because some people go like this, like no, that is not how you poke slime. Or you could do a 5-finger poke. 4, 3, or 2. Never do 1. Oh, did you guys hear that crunch? Like, oh my gosh. I think I'm making a hamburger right now. And then smack down, poke a hole in it, put all your seasonings and stuff in it, poke more holes in it, and then spread it out, and then make a slime. Woo, guys, look at all those bubbles. Oh, I love this one. Let's look at the other ones. Oh, it's back in the bag. So good, I just don't want it. I put my hand in the bag because like I fold the bag inside out to get the slime out of it. So I put it in a ball in there and then I fold the bag over it and then boom, I zip it up. Whoa. So there's that one. I'm going to be showing you my red one next. My sister never actually ate slime. She just likes to joke around. I had a different YouTube channel, which I'm not going to say the name of that. we shared one. She pranked me good, guys. Good. But I pranked her back. Oh, this is actually a really good one too. I just made these. I made all 3 of these last night. Sorry, I'm just watching it. Okay, so I'm gonna grab the ends and stuff and have it just slide on its own. And then, this is a really good slime one, and the little one over there that I'm going to show you guys soon is a really good slime one. Like, I put stuff in a whole bunch of these so it would smell good, and this is one of them. And it smells super, super good. It smells like grapes. I like to swirl it around. Okay, so let's put it back in the bag before this video turns into all about that slime. Sorry, I put this one back how it was before. So let me just do that. So I don't talk that much, but it's okay that I don't talk that much. Because if I do, I'll start jabbering. So next is this one. I made this one for my friend. It is $5 for her. Wait. $5? My sister thought it said $15. I was like, no, let's film it for $15. But I got my friend a discount. Oh, and I will be giving slime away soon. So just tell me your address and I will send that to you. So there's this one. It's a really good one too. Whoa. Get off of there. It's slowly going down. Hey! Excuse me real quick. I need to go let my dog out. Dog's so irritating. Oh. I need to wrap up this video, so I only showed you my 3 slimes, but that's okay. So, like I always say, we'll be back with another video. Peace.